What's up, folks? Michael here with Primal. Well, with All Hallows Eve fast approaching, I thought it appropriate to share with you one more Halloween prop build. This time, we pay homage to the heroic Dragon Slayer by mounting his, or her, recent kill into a trophy. However, as epic as it may be, mounting that beast's head would be an undertaking fit to test the space limitations inside my humble crafting lair well beyond its capabilities. Instead, we'll be making a trophy using a tooth from the beast. Sure to still be an honorable addition to any hunter's trophy haul. Before we begin, however, I wanted to say a quick thank you to everyone who watched, liked, and reached out to me from that last leather crafting video I did. If you didn't get a chance to check it out, I made kind of a Viking medieval style possibles pouch for bushcraft, woodscraft. I'll link it down below. But I wasn't really prepared for all the emails that I got, so thank you all for reaching out to me. I'm truly humbled so many of you want one for yourself. This one, however, was simply a prototype. I'll be making some changes and building a second one soon. Once I have it done, I'll showcase it in detail on my channel here, and if you guys are still interested, we can talk about orders. Okay, back to the build. Firstly, I used some old floor mat foam and created some random stacked concentric circles. I cut enough out to get to the height that I wanted, and then used a bit of contact cement to affix the layers together. I set it aside to dry. Then I went out to the KMG and shaped it into a reasonable facsimile of what I thought a dragon's tooth would look like. A healthy coating of caulk was then added to cover up any major imperfections. Once that was dry, I took it outdoors and gave it a nice coating of plastidip, just to be sure. After a few hours, I took a knife to it and made some scratches to show damage, wear and tear, and age. I let it sit for a full week, knowing that the plastidip as well as the caulking were going to shrink over time, and that would really help accentuate those details I added. Once the week was over, I gave it a complete and thorough covering of a bright white paint and primer combo. Once that dried, I gave it a heavy coat of regular dark wood stain, let it sit for a little bit till it almost got tacky, and then sparingly wiped off the excess. I let that sit and dry. As a final coat, I hit the tip with just a faint bit of that bright white again, just barely hitting the tip, just to add some accent. Next up was the base. I painted the PVC pipe that I had previously inserted into the bottom of the tooth and used some metallic craft paint to kind of mimic a metal stand type of a thing. I used a few coats in varying shades until I got the effect that I wanted. Then I did a dry brushing of copper metallic over the whole thing to really help sell the effect. I repurposed an old marble lamp base to act as the trophy bottom. This would provide me with plenty of weight and stability. All that was required was to try to find some type of a plug or something in my spare parts bin that would fit perfectly into that PVC arm. Once I got that, I used a machine screw to affix it to the marble base. Then just slide on the mounting. And there you have it, folks. A trophy dragon's tooth fit for the hero in your life. Oh, and if you're into the Halloween prop videos, don't forget to check out my last one on DIY potion bottles. They came out very realistic and are a perfect addition for any witch or warlock's potion cupboard. I think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, thanks again for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.